Hi everyone, this is Angel Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ng reaction video, ang performance, which is the opening prod. What do you call this? Yeah, indeed. The opening prod of It's Showtime, which is Carmel Aqualiado. So siya ang artist for today's video na nagagawa ng, what do you call that, ng introduction. So I won't take any longer, into the opening prod pala, introduction, ano daw yun? So I won't take any longer, I'm really excited to watch this. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video for today's video. Inaayos ko lang yung aking frame para naman at least maganda ang ating panonood for today's video at hindi tayo mabash, chares. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Ano kayang kinanta niya? Excited tuloy ako malaman kung anong kinanta niya for today's video.
About your performance, sobrang ganda, sobrang pulido.
Hindi nagpatinag ang kanyang talento at determinasyon nang siya'y mabigyan ng panibagong pagkakataon at buong pusong ipinarinig ang tinig na pangmalakasan at siya ay patuloy na hinangaan.
There's something about her tone that's very unique and very special.
Okay. Relax! Magaling talaga siya. Actually, may mga reaction video pa ako sa kanya today. Nagagawa ng what do you call that? Na ginawa ng reaction video. Ano ba yung kinanta niya for today's video? Wow. King Thomas Learning Academy. So high school pa lang siya. Ilang taon na siya? Nakakaloka. Performer kasi talaga siya. Oh! Yung kinanta niya sa ano? Ganda ng hago. Yes. Indeed. Grabe yung grow niya, no? Wow. Wow. Okay. Yung kinanta niya pala ng Grand Finals. Ching, ching. Ito walang kaba na to eh, yung performance niya here. Wow! Eh! She's feeling it talaga. She's really feeling it. Grabe. Yeah.
You told me to leave you alone. My father said, come on home. My doctor said, take it easy. Oh, but your loving is much too strong. I'm headed to your
Che, che, che. Taga ano din pala siya? Bicol? Tama ba? Eh si Gwen taga Bicol din. Baka related sila. Oh. Oh my God! She ate and left no crumb. Seriously. Wow. Oh, promising ng boses niya. Oh. Ganda. Grabe yung dynamics. Eh. Alright. Ano nangyari? Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is the performance of Carmel Collado, the opening prod sa Showtime. Bongga talaga siya. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!